Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Dask library for your Python and Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Dask library, then it is a Python library that enables you to scale your Python code. That means it allows you to handle larger than memory data sets and performs computations in parallel, even on a single machine or across a cluster. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install this library, you need to head on terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install dask. That means we'll be using the pip or the pip module to install this particular library. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that it is collecting and downloading the packages which are required for this particular library. Once that has been collected and downloaded, it will attempt to install them into a system. And here you can see after the installation, it will give us a message like successfully installed dask 2025.3.0 along with some other prerequisite packages as well. So now let's verify whether the installation has been successful or not. So in order to verify, you need to type in the following command in a new terminal line, which is pip show dask. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button again, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with some information like the version number as well as the location of this particular library where it is present in my system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.